doing great. Wait, how old are you?
18.
You 18? You got some pretty eyes. You got brown eyes? Hey, pretty as fuck. What's your name?
Abby.
Abby?
Yeah.
Nice to
What's
meet
your
you.
name?
AB.
What's your name?
AB.
AB. Oh my gosh. Abby, AB.
I feel like would be cute couples here.
Yeah, for sure.
Just off the name.
Yeah. You're from Somalia?
Yeah. What about you?
Australia.
What about you?
Oh, yeah. English Australian.
And you ever been with a Somali guy?
Um, no, I live in a very Somali area.
You live in Somali area?
Yeah.
You like the Somalis down there?
Yeah.
Do you want to be with one?
I wouldn't mind.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Alright,
Sure.
drop me a Snapchat or IG, whatever you be on, and I'll hit you up.